Hey y'all, it's Charity of Eris and Company. We are printing using Epson Edge Print Pro. I'm using Craft and Bestie's paper. They have a new formula. They were out of stock for a while, then they came back with this shiny, thick stuff. I won't call it a mess. I still get the job done, but it's not really in my comfort zone. Like, I like the old formula, but I'm sure with shipping, things like that, stuff happens, you know. Yeah, so as you see, it has like a sheen to it. You put your shirt down. At this point, I decided I wanted to make the back as well. I wanted to do a full bleed all over shirt, and that's what I did. So I laid it down like so. And I like to do one side at a time. Just really make sure you get it good to reduce your crinkles and wrinkles. I usually use a ram board in between, but I decided not to. And yeah, because that's my business. This is my little regular press. I put what I can under the press. And as you can see, some stuff didn't make it, obviously, because it's too big. So you just kind of slide it to whichever direction, which area you didn't hit, etc., etc. And as you see, you can see the imprint of my shirt sleeve. So yeah, it got done. Again, you kind of work your way around the whole shirt. So now I need to do the bottom part of this. For most shirts, it's going to take about four presses, depending on where you start. So this is the back side, I do believe. This is me using some heat to kind of release the paper. I don't know if this new paper is adhesive style or whatever, but I always use my own adhesive, even with the old formula. So yeah, look at that shirt. It is perfect. The only difference in what I usually do in this is I didn't use a ram board, right? And I only got minimal like white stuff. But using a ram board, it usually stretches the shirt out in a major way. This looks good. It was perfect. Those little white lines don't bother me at all. It's very minute. It's really giving print and sew, basically. But anyways, go TCU. They are from Fort Worth, Texas, not Dallas, baby. And they are your future national champions. Whoop, whoop. Go Frogs. Fort Worth now.